Welcome again to Eurochef products. Today we are focusing on how to use Euro55 European cooker, a product that its quality is unmatched. We have given you the best over the years without compromise. Now, these are 3+1, which means it has 3 gas burners and 1 electrical plate. Just to remind you, these cooker burners are BX burners and are enamel coated to protect against rust and to provide non-reactive cooking surface. Not to forget durability. It has 1 tray, 1 grill, pulse ignition for both burners and the oven. Its oven is spacious, a capacity of 60 liters, and has a double door. In it there is up and down compartment. It has a tempered glass that is unbreakable, and the elegance of this product cannot go unnoticed. Thank you for staying with me. Till next time, recommend this and most importantly, consider this product.